Here's just a little like sidebar, side note. If anybody thinks that my fucking chihuahua looks like the dog I'm about to show you, even an idiot. Hey, hold on. God damn it. Look up. Here. You're not gonna choke. Fuck that. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. You can do this. Come on. Come on. No. Come on, baby. I love you. Come on. There we go. Hi. Hi. Holy fuck. Yep. You choke him out. Come on. Hi. You okay? Hi. You okay? Yeah. It's alright. Hi. I love you. Okay. If anybody thinks that my fucking chihuahua looks like the dog I'm about to show you, or ever looked like this, you gotta be fucked in your brain. Hello. Hey. Hello. Lola. Creature. Hi. Oh, shit. Yeah, you okay? A little water for you. Fire hose. There we go. Good girl. My, what big, glossy, giant, fucking, unblinking fucking pupils you have. You blink a bit. What intelligent fucking eyeballs you have. Hi. It's okay. It's alright. I love you. Straight to the end, right? Together to the end? Come on, baby. It's okay. I love you. Yeah. Hi. Oh, don't turn around. She doesn't like cameras very much. Hi, baby. It's okay. Motherfucker. Hey. It's alright. Hey, are you gonna puke? You okay? It's okay. You drink too much water. It's alright. It's alright. It's okay. Sit out. Hi. It's okay. Hi. Hi, baby. It's okay. Okay. So what the fuck was that? Almost went down there.